So many applications where it's for the entrepreneurs out there. I mean, I think it's totally going to change the world.
I think one of the things that I can think is like overall, it's like way too much that people can do. Just one question I want to know is how much power does it take? Because that would limit a lot of applications. So what is the limitation on power? Like,
Yeah. So we haven't done as much of the exploration of how low power you can go yet, but the whole system running full out, like the demos that I showed you are under 4 watts. Which like 5 watts is a really important like inflection point on being able to embed a product. So if you're under 5 watts, you can do passive cooling, you can integrate into relatively small things and just have metal structures that then passively release the heat. So 4 watts is typically what it peaks at. If you turn everything on and try to do all the things at once, you can get close to 5 watts. And then you can get lower too, so it's like 2.5 watts for a lot of modes. And so like a Raspberry Pi, for example, is 4 watts as well. And it goes into a lot of embedded things to